Hello, what's up guys? Welcome to the new video. Today we will learn about the antiderivatives. Now let's suppose here we have the function f of x that is equal to x cube. So the derivative of f of x will be f dash of x that will be equal to 3x square. So if f dash of x is the derivative of f of x, then f of x will be the antiderivative of f dash of x. So this is the general form of finding the antiderivative. So integral x power n to the dx that is equal to x power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. It means that we will add the power in the numerator and then we will place the same in the denominator and then we will add the constant at the end. I hope you understand. Thank you for watching this video.